Hey, what's up? My name is Michael Zalzali. I will be your math teacher for this course, Intermediate Algebra, Math 110 online. And I would like to give you a little brief about my math lab and the plan we're going to have for this semester. First of all, I want you to scroll up and look at my name. My name is Michael Zalzali. That's where you start with me. You click on my name. You will notice my first announcement to you. This is an online course, requires a certain level of commitment and self-discipline from you as a learner. And in order to succeed, you should put time for the course on a weekly basis. It's difficult to do well if you get behind. So, start from day one. You should ask yourself, should I put time for it or no? You will notice soon, if you don't put time on a weekly basis, you will run behind and it's gonna be a problem to you. I also ask you, or I also have for you how I calculate your grade. You can click here. I will do it later. The first thing, I will send you this welcome letter the first week or the first day of the classes, and I would like you to go through it, and you will notice a lot of things. I only communicate with you through email, and you should use the Hawkmail, which is the college email, not your Gmail or any other email. And this is the textbook we're gonna use, so I assume you have time to get the book. Now, whether you buy the book or not, it's your responsibility. But if you took Math 80, which is beginning algebra, for the same book, you can use the same access code and you don't have to buy the book. But if you are taking this course for the first time, you must buy the book or the electronic copy online. Now, you go to the syllabus. You click on the syllabus. They are all under my name. And the first thing you see, of course, the Henry Ford College. And you go down to the box. You will see my name, my email, my office, my phone number, and my office hours. So I would be more than happy to welcome you in my office if you have any questions or concerns. And the office hours are there. And of course you can read all the steps and how I do. I want to scroll fast right now. And how I do the grades. There will be 3 tests, 100 points each, worth 300 points, and they're going to be on campus. It's true, this is an online course, and a lot of students ask me, what do you mean by 95% online course? It means you should come to the campus to do the test, and everything else will be done from home. Now, we have 3 tests, 300 points. We have quizzes online, so you can do it from home or anywhere else. It's worth 100 points, and we have homework worth 100 points, and we have chapter forum discussions worth 100 points. Those should be done on weekly basis, and I will show you how to access them and post your answers. Plus, we have a cumulative final exam which is worth 150 points, and the total will be 750. And based on your total points, when I get the percentage, this is how I distribute the grades. Take your time doing this. We also have the course due dates. The course due dates on weekly basis. We start with chapter 6 in the book. So on the first week, you should do 6.1 to 6.3, and you need to meet the due date, which is January 15th. It means after January 15th, they will be locked, and you'll be responsible for that. So we start taken it from the beginning. We get serious with this. Plus there's a forum 1 plus a bonus forum will help you understand more the rules of this course, etc. And in week number 2 we have to do the sections from 6.4 to 6.6, and we have you have to do it by January 27th, and we have a forum 2. This is how I distributed the course, the sections, and keep going till we get to this step here on week 4, which actually week 5, because week 1 starts not January 15th, it starts January 9th. So we do the test 1, and you can read all the steps. You will get used to it. It's always there online. And the exam dates, I did not figure them out which exact dates, but I will let you know. This is the first thing. So click under my name. You will find out everything you need for the course to start. And of course, if you click on the homework, I already set dates, but those they're not necessarily the correct dates. Check the course due dates that I showed you earlier, and go to forums, and those we should do on weekly basis. In the first week you have the bonus and forum 1. It means you should do both. The bonus will get extra points. The total points on the forums is worth 100 points. That means you should do that. And we also have quizzes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 quizzes. I gave you 50 minutes or 60 minutes to do the quizzes, and I gave you 3 attempts, and the computer counts the highest marks, so it's your responsibility to get the highest marks. You can do it from home, it's fine with me, at work, whatever you like, but it must be online, and you must meet the due dates. And on the grade book, it's already, I already fixed it, since there's I don't have any students here. You will know how to access it. If you click here, it tells you the homework 100 points, and we have 100 points on test. I didn't put points yet. It will be 300 points plus the final will be 450 points plus 100 points. So far I get you add them all, and you can tell how many points earned by you. Now if you go to chapter contents, and of course we don't start from chapter 1, we start from chapter 6. So this is chapter 6. You click on it, and you have the homework, blah blah blah, etc. You can read them and go step by step. When it says do the homework, you click on it, and of course you start from 6.1. But I want you to read first before you do the homework. And of course the quizzes are at the end of each chapter, so you should meet that. That's so far what I wanted to let you know. Thank you.